Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is creating a makeup look of using the Paradise Fallen from Ace Beaute. If you watched my Eyescream Beauty Bag from last month, you know that this was it and other couple of products, but I decided to play with this. So I already played with this once, and then let me tell you one thing. I really do love this formula. I don't know of the original formula is, but this is a reformula of theirs, so I don't know what's the difference in anything, because I do have the Oceanic palette and I have the Scarlet one, and I both like the formulas of those, but I don't know if they're the same formula or not. So that it is. So look at the palette. This is the palette looks like. I really like these palettes. Sorry if the lighting is acting a little weird, because I am working with natural lighting, but also working with two other lights, so the light is going to be up and down. So just FYI here. I played with the cool tones colors, and I really like that how that came about. I actually want to play more with this palette, so I don't know what kind of look I have in stored, so I am going to do one eye off camera and probably just do that, because it is what it is, because I'm not going to do like a full look video anyway. If I'm doing a full look video, it's usually my makeup therapy videos that I do every Monday. I don't know if I'm going to go to the darkest to the lightest, or I was going to just go do what I want to do in my head. So it is what it is. So I did play with these shadows right here. Stone, Pure Shadow, and I played Moon Glow. Let me tell you something. No, I don't think I played in Dusk, if I'm correct. I don't know if I did or not. But I did play with those, and that pigmentation. Ooh, this color first is this one, Citrus Tree. It's a nice burgundy color. So we're just gonna go like this, and just go like that. It's a nice, beautiful burgundy color. I really like this. It looks like red brown, but it really looks so beautiful. I think this palette is such a perfect palette if you want to do like an anti-Valentine's Day or do a Valentine's Day look, which in my head I'm going kind of do till the 14th. And like I said in my makeup therapy session video I did this past Monday, my getting out of my comfort zone video, this is a palette that's definitely going to get me out of my comfort zone. I would say yes, because these are the colors I really do not play with. Even though I love like red tones, I love playing with like vibrant colors, like really colorful looks, and I love playing with like monochrome. When I'm doing an eyeshadow look, I usually do like all blue or green, or it has the same color family. But this one, it's like a same color family, but it has the undertone of a gray undertone. So I'm gonna use Dusk Eve color. So Dusk is this beautiful purple color, and we're just gonna go work with that color. And I really like how these shades are just beautiful. They're very cool tone, so it does a really good job. I'm gonna go a little bit right here. I'm gonna use Eve, is that beautiful color next to Twilight, in between Twilight and Night Sky. I just feel like this is like so pretty. Like, now I don't know what kind of shade I'm gonna go for. We're gonna use some glitter glue and make that shimmer. Oh, okay. We're gonna use Orion. Okay, this is Orion. I hope I'm pronouncing it okay. Ooh, I like this shade. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna do eyeliner or not. I don't know if I'm doing. So I don't know if I'm gonna do black eyeliner or not, but my brain says, let's do it. Yup. Now, lashes. I don't have no lashes, but you know what? Like, I really do like this. So I'll be right back with the finished look. Ooh, this is the finished look. Of course, all the products will be down below in the description box if you want to see what products I've used. I did use something new, so it's the W7 Cosmetics Prime Grip. It is like the Elf and Milk's grip primer that came out a few years ago, and to tell you the truth, I don't mind the formula. I just don't care for the stinkiness. I'm going to be honest with you, I just don't. I don't like it. I have the Elf Mint one. I've used that. It does a really good job and everything. I just don't like the stickiness, and I don't like how it feels on my hands when I do this. It's just like, I just don't care for it. So I'm going to use this till it's all gone because it is a sample size. I just want to see if it's like not as sticky as the Elf one, but it's not. It's really, I don't know how to explain this one. Like I don't know how to explain the texture of it. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this till it's up because I'm gonna find my Elf Poreless Primer one, my liquid one, and I found it, of course, after the makeup. But it is what it is. But I do like this, how this look came out. So purpley cool tone. I really like this. I feel like I already did this kind of makeup look before. Not, I don't know. My brain is like, I just feel like I came up with this look a couple of years back. But I like it, and yeah, I recreate the looks. I really like the makeup look anyway, so that's fine. But yeah, I really, really do like this. So the Paradise Fallen from Ace Beaute. Still, I love this palette. I love the formula, and I really do like it. So that's a plus. So yeah, so I highly recommend this palette, and I highly recommend this brand. But yeah, so if you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button so you want to see more content like this. And of course, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama-free and judgment-free here. We welcome everybody. And yes, we might be a little tad crazy, but we're cute at the same time. And of course, make sure to hit the notification bell so we get notified of any new videos that I upload. Yeah, I love this look already. All over again. I love you and God bless.